We interrupt programming for breaking news from NBC Chicago.
We're going to talk now more with attorney Thomas Glasgow, who's joining us about this decision, the verdict that just came in within the past hour, not guilty on all charges for Kyle Rittenhouse and the shooting death from that unrest in Kenosha just about a year and a half ago or so. And Thomas, tell us about what did you think of the decision not to sequester the jury, at least during deliberations?
You know, that's an interesting point because it's something that I think almost everyone in the legal community was discussing, especially on a high-profile case like this. The effect that outside influences have on juries is something that you try to avoid as a jurist. The judge always, and they take their job very seriously in protecting the jury while the jury is under the charge of the court. They are under the court's aegis, and the court has vast powers to make sure that they are protected from those outside influences, and their safety is, which is an issue that needs to be discussed as well. Their safety needs to be protected. Now, they should have been put in a situation where they didn't have any kind of outside influences in a perfect world. They wouldn't have heard any of the chanting. They wouldn't have heard any of the bullhorns. They wouldn't have heard anything. And they just would have come to a decision based upon the law and the evidence, which is exactly what they're supposed to do. Now, with regard to the sequestration, it's been done in the past, and you saw it, it's been done on several high-profile cases. It tends to end up pushing a jury to a verdict in a much quicker fashion. And the judge ultimately has the decision on whether to do that. Juries hate being sequestered. They hate being away from their families. They hate being away from their jobs, being able to change clothes, their homes. But it does prevent that outside influence. And that's something that is to be considered.
All right, Thomas
Why
Glasgow.
they didn't do it, I can't tell you.
Okay, stay with us. We'll check back in with you.